Hi, I'm Maritza, and in today's video I will be sharing with you the February 2023 Teacher Self-Care Crate, and I'm very excited about this month's goodies. There are tons of things inside and I can't wait to share them with you. Let's go ahead and get started. As soon as you get your Teacher Self-Care Crate, you open and the first thing that you will find is the info card. The info card has all the information that you need and about what's inside, including this month's theme. And this month's theme is unapologetically you. This month is dedicated to self-love. Self-love means being in love with every part of yourself, including your body, your personality, and treating yourself as number one is super important. So this month's self-care crate is dedicated to finding who you are, being you on purpose. On the back of the info card has all of the items and details about what's inside, including a QR code directly to digital downloads. If you are a monthly subscriber, you will get access to all of those coupons, digital downloads, and printables, and even wallpapers and so much more. So be sure to be a monthly subscriber. There is information down below if you are interested in that. And let's go ahead and dive right into this month's self-care crate. And the first thing I have here is the art print. The art print for this month is by Happy Day Printables, and it Just Be You, beautifully imperfect, and it has these little flowers details to it, and on the back is in the shape of a postcard and has some space for you to write on as well. The next thing I have here is super exciting, and it's actually a crossbody bag, and it is in this beautiful wine color. So I'm going to open up and show you what it looks like. And this really cute crossbody bag is convenient, and it also is very modernly styled, and it has the strap on the back, and it is also adjustable so you can wear it just about anywhere. The next thing I have here is the self-love earrings. Self-love earrings have little affirmations on them as well. These are in the heart shape and they're in pink. Everyone needs a little reminder sometimes. The next thing I have here are the heart clips. These heart clips come in a set of 4, and they are perfect for the classroom, putting up artwork, and even in your own office, and they come in a set of 4. The next thing I have here is the Inspirational Pin Badge, and this one says you are capable of wonderful things, and it is by A Dose of Reminders, and it has a little pin on the back so you can pin it just about anywhere on your lanyard, on your teacher bag, or even on your crossbody bag. Fits perfect, it's small, and it's a little reminder to help you remind yourself that you are wonderful, you are doing a wonderful job. The next thing I have here is this 2-in-1 combo here of nail polish glitter and a nail polish, and in this beautiful pink color, and the glitter side. And to pair with this is nail stickers. This is an adhesive, and it is by Glam and Grace, and there are some directions on the back as well. Very easy to use, and then they're in these really cute flowers. And those are all the items for the February 2023 Teacher Self-Care Crate. Now I'm gonna hop over and show you some of the printables for this month. And these are coupon ideas. These are super fun. They also come in black and white, and this is the black and white version, but this one already has some ideas there, but they also come in a version where they're blank, where you can add your own ideas. And this is the colored line version and the colored version in full color. Some scissor skills for hand motor skills, and this is one of the printables, and you have different versions of these as well. And a Happy Valentine's Day writing activity with heart spaces that you can fill in the writing for the writing activity. That is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing the February 2023 with me, and if you enjoyed these items and cannot wait to get your very own February 2023 self-care crate, be sure to click on the link down below with all of the information for you to get your very own in the mail. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!